Hello friends, in today's lecture we learn a one theorem which is arithmetic geometric mean inequality. Okay, this is very important inequality, arithmetic and geometric inequality. Okay, the statement of the theorem is let A and B be two non-negative real numbers, non-negative that means they are greater than or equal to 0. A and B be two non-negative real numbers, then arithmetic mean of A and B is greater than or equal to geometric mean with equality holding if and only if A is equal to B. That means here we have to prove that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean, and equality hold if and only if whenever A is equal to B. Okay, let us start the proof. Here, suppose the two numbers, since we have given that A and B are non-negative numbers, that means they are positive in numbers and they are greater than 0. Suppose if A and B are equal to 0, A and B both numbers are equal and they are equal to 0, then value of A plus B by 2 is equal to 0, since A is 0 and B is 0. Also, A plus B by 2, this is arithmetic mean, and A into B is equal to 0. That is formula for geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is equal to A plus B by 2 and geometric mean is equal to A into B. Okay, so in these cases, if A and B is equal to 0, we get value of arithmetic mean is also 0 and value of geometric mean is also 0. That means arithmetic mean of A and B is equal to geometric mean and of A and B. Okay, suppose we consider one more case. Suppose if A is equal to B and A is not equal to 0 and B is also not equal to 0. A and B both are equal numbers but both are non-zero number. If they are 0, then equality is hold. If A and is equal to B and both the numbers are non-zero, then A plus B by 2, that means arithmetic mean is equal to A plus A upon 2, that is 2A upon 2, which is A. And geometric mean, that means root of AB is equal to, we replace B by A, since here A is equal to B. So square root of A into A, which is A square, square root of A square is A. That means here we get arithmetic mean of A and B is equal to geometric mean of A and B. So in this case also equality is hold. Okay, so when A is equal to B, then equality is hold. That means arithmetic mean is equal to geometric mean. This equality is hold. Now suppose A is not equal to B. A and B are not equal numbers. Then we have to prove that arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Okay, arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Let us assume without loss of generality 0 is less than or equal to A is less than B. Now A and B, there are two real numbers. So without loss of generality we assume that A is less than B. तुम्ही B is less than A करून केलं तरी सुद्धा चालणार आहे. आपण एक कंडिशन विदाउट लॉस ऑफ जनरॅलिटी, दोन नंबर आहेत इक्वल नाही आहेत याचा अर्थ त्याच्यातला एक नंबर लहान असणार आहे, एक नंबर मोठा असणार आहे. सो विदाउट लॉस ऑफ जनरॅलिटी A is less than B. If A is less than B, then here 0 is less than or equal to root A is less than root B. त्यांचं स्क्वेअर रूटसाठी पण सेम इक्वॅलिटीज होल्ड होईल. ओके, सो रूट बी मायनस रूट ए, रूट एने आपण इकडे सबस्ट्रॅक्ट केलं. रूट बी मायनस रूट ए, दिस टर्म इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0. ओके, दोन्ही टर्ममधून रूट ए सबस्ट्रॅक्ट केले, मग काय मिळणार, रूट ए मायनस रूट ए इज 0 आणि हिअर रूट बी मायनस रूट ए आणि इथे येणार 0. सो रूट बी मायनस रूट ए, दिस टर्म इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0. Okay, so square of that number is also greater than 0, since square is positive. So root b minus root a is greater than 0. So by squaring, root b square minus 2 into root a into root b plus root a square, this term is greater than 0. Okay, square root square केल्यावर square आणि square root cancel होतो. So square root of b square is b, square root of a square is a. Here 2 into root AB. So B minus 2 root AB plus A, this term is greater than 0. Okay, that means A plus B आणि ही जी काय मायनसची टर्म आहे ती आपण या साईडला नेली. सो A plus B is greater than 2 into root AB. ओके, सो 2 ने डिवाइड करूया आपण नंबरला. A plus B upon 2 is greater than square root of AB. केव्हा? whenever A is not equal to B. But A plus B by 2 is equal to arithmetic mean of A by B, and square root of AB is geometric mean of A by B. That means arithmetic mean of A and B is greater than equal to geometric mean of A and B with equality holding. Equality कधी hold होते? Whenever A is equal to B. So if A is equal to B, then only equality is hold, and if A is not equal to B, then always arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So this is very important inequality in exam point of view. Okay, so go through this theorem, and if you have any difficulty then ask me later. Okay.